Fuck kind of question is that?
I'm on the way. Come to the bank, bitch, I'm on the way. Come to the bank, bitch, I'm on the way.
Money calling me.
Come to the bank, bitch, I'm on the way.
Oh, yeah.
Come to the bank.
That doesn't sound like a piece of shit. It sounds pretty good.
It sounds alright.
Little baby cam. Yeah. Shit, sounds good as hell though.
It does. It's solid.
Sounds hella fucking good. You still selling or you keeping?
Shit, you got money? No.
I guess you keep it.
That solves everything, right?
Yeah. Maybe one day.
Hey,
You still got it.
hey, there's a dude with a Subaru over there. Or no, he has a freaking Stinger. And he's like, yeah, I'm selling it. Me and Cyrus were talking to him. He's like, yeah, I'm selling it. I was like, oh, for how much? He's like, 26. I was like, I got $3.
I'll be like,
He's like, you know, how about this? You give me the $3 and something. I was like,
we'll make something shake.
right. I was like, I could get you free groceries.
Hey. Motherfucker sound like a monster. Brought to you by AutoZone.
Shout out to AutoZone for letting us come through.
Hey, sponsor me, even though I work at O'Reilly's.
Oh, he's working for the ops.
Hey, money talk.
Right. What we got here? This is a Hyundai Elantra? It's an Elantra, bro. I think.
Every time I saw him, he was rolling with like Henry in
I can't even tell what it is, dude. I think that's an Elantra, bro. It's my mom's car, literally. What's up, man? Chilling. I ain't gonna cut though. The rim's kind of sick. Now let's go to this little baby right here. This is what I've been having my eyes on. Yeah, boy. This thing here. Oh, we got the food truck. But this thing right here, boy. This is sweet. It's still the truck that has food on it, right? Oh, this all you? Hell yeah, bro. M3. Sweet. Say, bro, can you put me on game with the car a little for the video?
What's that?
I say, can you put me on game with the car? Like, tell me a little bit about it.
On the car?
Yeah.
Alright, so it's a 2002 BMW M3. I got the car, so originally I had traded for, I used to have an Evo 8. And other than that, man, freaking, it's just basically a father and son build. So
That's what's up.
Me and my dad, I fucking worked on it.
Dude, that's what's up.
Corrected. Obviously, that's the original factory thing. I corrected as much as I could. Obviously, I got different wheels, different fucking, wheels in the front. So I got 245/35 in the front, 285/35 in the back,
Right.
rim 19.
See, you got a lower too.
Yeah, I got a lower on BC, lower fucking extreme lows. So, and then,
Dude, this is sick. This is. You're from around this little area, right?
so I just moved here not too long ago, man.
Yep.
I'm from South Florida.
Yeah, I think I might have seen you a couple times, dude. This is
I
sweet.
had it for a little bit because I didn't have a daily because my
Right.
motorcycle was at home. But I brought the motorcycle, so I take this out once in a while. But I daily the motorcycle. So.
Hell yeah, brother. I fuck with this heavy. This is tough. Oh shoot! Oh, gotta peep the sticker. That's like 10 extra horses right there. But this interior, oh, we're not up. Oh shit! That's sweet. Yo, this is nice. Got the race seats, that sparkles. Got a little extra juice in the back. Dude, this is sweet. Bruh.
Wait, don't close it. Not yet.
Oh shit!
Bruh. Bruh, look in the back seat. Look in the back seat. Look in the back seat.
Damn!
a little bit of juice.
Wait. We got
Little bit.
one.
Little bit.
We got another one.
Hey, hey, turn around. This man is really dedicated. Look what he got in the cup.
Oh yeah.
He's
Gotta
dedicated.
Gotta represent.
Yes,
I
sir.
was hoping not sponsor me.
Yeah, he's like, no, give this man a sponsor. Give him a
I was
sponsorship.
hoping to fucking get sponsored by now.
Yes, sir.
Man, damn.
This is sweet, bro.
This is all me and my father, man. Fucking.
Bro, him and his father built it up.
All the aluminum panels, we did that ourselves.
Bro, look at the.
Damn. Hey, I
this
want a
is-
whole review on your car, like a whole 10-minute review.
I would love to, man.
All right, just a whole 10-minute review. That'd be awesome.
Hell yeah, bro.
Man, damn. This is
Honestly, this
fire.
is got to be my top cars of the day, real. Like,
Dang,
top
I think
three.
you should have the doors open, like. For
I
real.
wanted to, but I was like,
God.
Like,
Dude.
for
I
real.
have the windows down.
this is sick.
What's under the hood?
I'm gonna sell my Mustang and get a Beamer.
Told you, bro. Told you.
For real, this job is fire.
Oh, yeah, I'm going to have to get some pictures on my phone, too. I got to.
Oh yeah.
That's my steering wheel.
Spicy. Oh my. Oh Lord. Oh. Banging. Ooh.
Alright. Let's see what I can do with one hand.
You can do it if I could do it.
For sure.
Hey, you got it.
This guy.
Look at that, trying to be like Paul. Trying to be like me, bro.
Yeah, but better.
All right.
Hold on, let's gotta get right.
I mean, word on the street is, but I got the crisp. Oh, get right with him, bro. Yeah. Hey, we gotta teach him young. We gotta teach him young.
Hell no, I've been doing just above you, junior. Let's get a good view of that. Look at that.
Oh, can't really see it, but I know it's fire.
Just look good though. It look
I
good
know
though.
it's fire.
It look good.
Uh-oh.
It look good.
Y'all, that job looks good. I can't even see in the camera, but that
Damn.
job.
Oh yeah. Oh wait, let me hold up. Maybe I can get some insurance money off of. No, played my ass. Shoot, they showing out doing it with one hand. Let's see what I can do. Hey, y'all see this, right? Y'all see this, right?
Yes, sir.
And it came out crispy.
Yes, sir. We winning.
Okay.
The Trans Am. Yes, sir. I'm feeling the orange. I'm feeling the orange.
I'm about to say, I heard whistling.
Yeah,
I
we
heard
do hear a little
whistling.
whistling. What you got under there?
I saw him the other day.
Oh, my man,
Hey, shit, I ain't never seen him before. This is my first time seeing him.
Do you see the Evo on the Evo X over there?
The gray one?
Yeah.
Yeah, I always see him. I see.
Boosted?
Always see him.
Boosted? Yep. Yeah, he popular.
Is the man just taking your turns around the corner?
I don't know.
Just came this way.
He did.
Hey, Bo said he hustling.
Hey, but don't sleep on that Mexican ice cream, bro. That junk be
Hey, Bo
hella
said he
good.
hustling.
I wonder how much.
Hell yeah.
Type S, not even a type R, but that just say type S on it though.
Yes, sir.
Hey, yo, back at this car. I didn't see this earlier, but you see what it's taking type S.
Alright, boom. Alright. Hey, we don't have no type R's around here, y'all. It's type S, alright?
This guy right here is my idol. I'm trying to get my Genesis like him one day.
Oh my God.
One day. He inspires
What's
me.
For those of y'all that don't know me, you know what I'm saying?
What you gotta say
I'm
to him?
Triple OG.
Yes, sir.
I'm just an old cat from way back who like to make his paper stack, you know what I mean?
Oh, yes,
That's how I
sir.
get down, 'cause
That's
I'm
the
from
motto.
Chi-Town. I'm
Tell
letting
him.
y'all know that I represent the Untouchables. I'm the vice president.
What's your club out?
We working with AutoZone out here, man, to throw this little meat.
Yes, sir.
Let everybody get a little taste and see how it's gonna kick off for the summer since we got held back for 3 months.
Hey, I'll tell you one thing. This can't. Hey, it's a good come out or it's a good turnout.
man.
Good
We
turnout.
done took over 3 parking lots.
That's what it's all
And
about,
they still
man.
coming in. We gonna be out here till they close.
Yes, sir. That's what it's all about.
All right, fella.
Best man out here with the Genesis I ever seen. Yes, sir. Oh, this is a rally art too.
Shoot, maybe you should do YouTube instead of me. Let me know. She's got really hard stuff.
Oh, the shoe right here?
That one with the black hat.
Oh, okay. Got a little BMW over there making noise.
To take my damn eardrums off.
All right. This thing.
350Z right here.
Hell yeah. I always wanted one of these. Hell yeah, they're fun.
I like the interior, but I don't like the
Exterior, the shape.
No. I don't like the steering console. That make me don't get because I like my GPS. I like all the new stuff.
Mm.
I got Apple CarPlay. Nissan don't have that. I'm like, damn. Okay,
Yeah,
I'm not getting that on
that
this
is a
car.
bummer. Yeah, I understand you. Sure, you want to hold the camera real quick? Let me get this yellow car real quick.
All right.
Bro, this is probably like the best meet I've been in like a good little minute. Oh yeah, bro. I told you, bro, once this like after a while, everybody gonna start popping up.
Mm-hmm.
It's like, dang, we ain't been in a car meet in a minute.
Hopefully the meets get better down here.
That's true.
There's a whole bunch of cars I've never seen around here.
Florida meets are like the top for like the closest way. Florida, Jacksonville, boom. But their situation down there, I'm not going down there at all.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I'm not.
That's tough.
Yeah, them boys getting it bad right now.
Uh-huh. And the bad part about it, they so close to us.
Yeah.
So you never know.
You,
He was giving out.